welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. And my name is Bella and you're watching That's So Bella. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be sharing with you all my journey doing the Ting challenge as well as the Mr. London challenge. Now, these two challenges were both for 2 weeks. The Ting one, it's Get Abs in 2 Weeks, Abs Workout Challenge. And then Mr. London's was Fupa Gone in 2 Weeks, Ab Workout Challenge. I have done the Ting workout before and I loved it, and I posted my results on Instagram and everybody was like, oh my God, how did you do it? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to be showing you guys the actual workouts that I did. Now, I contemplated on if I should actually put this in there because I look a mess. I look a mess. So whenever y'all watch this, don't judge me, okay? But the music that you guys will be hearing from during the video, the artist, his name is Adro, and the song is called Down for Life. You can listen to him on SoundCloud, but he's really cool. He was great to work with, honestly. He made it so easy for me to use the song. You know, I just wanted to get permission to use his work and as well as, you know, give y'all something to listen to, because if you like it, you can go support him as well on his streaming platform and his social media. But yeah, y'all listen to it. Y'all look at the workouts. But yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna let y'all look at the workouts, and on the bottom there's going to be the name of the actual workout. Yeah, let's get into that, and then after that I'll tell you everything that I did along with the workouts.
Yeah. Shit, man. You know what I'm saying? My heart.
Got the beat.
Remember all them sacrifices made,
All them sacrifices
all the pain
made,
that you went through,
all the pain that you went through.
I wanna see you live your dream.
I wanna see you live
Wanna
your
do what's best for
dreams.
you.
Wanna do what's best for you.
Swear behind you, you know it's war.
You know it's war.
You know I'm down to ride.
You know I'm down to ride, baby.
You know I'm down for life,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay.
You know I'm down for life.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You know I'm down for life. Like I chose to plead guilty. Know the sky is the limit, but my heart been feeling empty. On the road to the millions, bringing all my niggas with me. Bad bitch, hella class, a lot she model from Fenty. Set my family up for life, the honor of a king. Accepted failures and rejection didn't hurt my self-esteem. I'm bona fide and certified. You can see that in my eyes. I'm recognizable and verifiable. That's undeniable. You dig? I'm from the mode. Let me stun out for my team, so they'll be calling me the mayor, handing over city keys, seducing all the pretty women. Can you sign my titties, please? Keep my weapon with me, niggas plotting scheme. I'm the great Ali.
Sacrifices made,
All the
all the
sacrifices
pain
made,
that you went through,
all the pain that you went through.
I wanna see you live your dream.
I wanna see you live
Wanna
your
do what's best for
dreams.
you.
Wanna do what's best for
Swear
you.
behind you, you know it's war.
You know it's war.
You know I'm down to ride.
You know I'm down to ride, baby.
You know I'm down for life,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay.
You know I'm down for life. Whoa.
Okay, I had nights full of pain and days full of shame, and still they ain't stop shit, ain't stop a damn thing. Watch how I reach my throne of the game, yeah. I just need my millions of respect. I ain't tripping off the fame, yeah. I got ill intentions when I'm spitting lyrics. All my niggas built, we ancient pyramids. All my bitches bad, not a pyramids with a couple jobs, not a single kid. Long live my niggas wishing peace and love. Pussy, money, weed, and all the things above. Hope the coppers never ever catch a lack of vision. It's the only other proper action. We bound to take off. This fight is inevitable. My words carry weight. She say my style is incredible. I never put a chick who wasn't down on the pedestal. Stingy with my time because my schedule ain't flexible.
Sacrifices that we made,
Sacrifices that you made.
hope you see you through the pain, yeah. Wanna see you live your dreams, yeah. Hope you want the best for me, yeah. Sacrifices that we
All right, y'all. So let me start off by saying this was tough for me only because I'm not consistent. And when I played volleyball, you know, we had to go to practice every day and do our workouts. And that's, I think, why I stayed so fit. But at home during this quarantine, girl, that bed get real comfortable and I don't be wanting to leave. But you know, you have to push yourself and all this stuff. So I kind of set a alarm on my phone to when I work out, and I just named it go work out. So it's telling me, you know, obviously to go work out. So it's not like, oh, I forgot to do it this day. Oh, this and that. And I try to hold myself as accountable as I could doing that. But I'm also going to be showing you guys a before clip and after clip so you could see the beginning and then also see my results. So it's not like, oh, I photoshopped this and all that. Because, girl, I don't even know how to use Photoshop if we being quite honest. These are real results. I did work out. And let me also say this, because I was talking to a friend. I am not a health coach. I am not a fitness coach. I am not anything. You know, my mama a health coach. I've had coaches in my life, but baby, I'm not a health coach. I don't be knowing what I'm doing. So I am not the person to say do this or not do this. So take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. This is what worked for me. I'm not saying, oh, I did it, so you can do it and it's gonna be the same results. Cause baby, I don't know. But I will say one thing that I think prevented me from getting better results that I could have was the way I ate. Because some days I just woke up and then maybe around 1 or 2 o'clock, I would make like 2 sandwiches and eat a cookie and then drink water, and that's it. Like I'm done. But also I drink, let me go get it. I try to do good about drinking 2 of these a day. I think this is half a gallon of water or a gallon. I don't know. It's small, so, and I got it at Walmart, but yeah, I try to do good drinking as much water. So the more water I drink, the more I was kind of full. But yeah, I do think the way you eat is very important. I was doing this challenge with another friend and she was like, yeah, girl, you gotta stop eating like that. And I was like, girl, I can't, it's just so good. So I think I would have got better results if I was more strict on myself with the way I ate. Now, one thing I did do, I drank tea. I drank green tea. I didn't set a specific time. I think when I researched it, they were saying it's good to drink it in the morning, but I drank it in the mornings when I was eating, because I think they said it's not good to drink it on an empty stomach. It can make your stomach upset. And then some people said drink it on an empty stomach. But I made me, you know, egg, toast, sausage, and then drank it with that sometimes in the morning. Or if I realized, oh shoot, I didn't drink my green tea for the day, I just made it right before I went to bed. And there's also, y'all, there's this thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to show y'all. Okay. There's this thing that I found on TikTok. It was like you rub your stomach down and then do all these circles and then all this stuff. And I was like, what? But that was just so cool to me because I did it and then it actually worked a little bit. Not like a lot, but I feel like with that, doing the challenges, the green tea, it kind of like helped me. Now, it is easier for me to lose weight It's just always been that way. Dang, girl, she popular today. Tell me in the comments down below if you guys are gonna do the challenge or if you've done it before. Share your results with me. I would love to hear it. And yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, y'all, tell me if y'all gonna do this challenge, and I would love to see y'all results. Until next time, bye.